Hey, we got a new match. Let's see what we got.
Dracula.
Level 50. It's even worse. I'm applying for level 66, and they are giving me level 50.
Now
What
is
the
the
heck?
time to prove it.
Squirrels versus
What?
vampires? Seems fair to me.
Okay.
Stay alert.
Now try
This
not to
fight
fall
isn't
under Dracula's
over
control
yet.
This time,
Let's
okay,
end it.
gang?
I was born ready.
What? Vampires incoming.
Those monsters look hungry. Time to see if you're the hero you say, or just another snack.
Watch your tail! Squirrel stampede! My friends are here! Woo, I'm feeling good.
Okay.
Congratulations on surviving another round. Let's hope your luck continues to
Drake.
hold. Such remarkable power. I hope you put it to good use for once.
Just once.
Another wave incoming. Hold the line.
Squirrel stampede!
Okay. Oh shit.
My friends!
What's going on?
Squirrel stampede!
Strike!
Gear up. These enemies won't quit, but neither will you, it
Oh,
seems.
Drake.
A hero at their peak. I hate to admit it, but I'm impressed.
Filling up the health bar.
More vampires have arrived. Ready for battle. And don't you dare let luck sit down.
Squirrel stampede!
Another less than noble.
What happened? Hey, my names are appearing on the top right. That's neat.
These vigilantes never surrender.
I wonder why that is. Level 50. Congratulations to you, but I kinda don't need it.
Stampede!
Another less than noble sacrifice. vigilantes never surrender. Take a moment and enjoy the peace. It won't last for long. A hero.
Probably should go with luck rate or something.
I hate to admit it, but I'm impressed. Vacation's over. Back to work. Hope you've still got some heroism left in you. Another less than noble sacrifice. These vigilantes never surrender. Another less than noble sacrifice.
Where did you die? What happened?
These vigilantes never surrender. Congratulations on surviving another round. Let's hope your luck continues to hold.
Alright,
Such remarkable power.
let's kill Ratatoskr.
You put it to good use for once. More vampires have arrived. Ready yourself up.
Before I devour you,
There, let my city down.
I shall feast on your bones! Never!
Woo, I'm feeling good.
Before I devour you! I shall feast on your bones!
Oh shit! And kill me. Okay. Fucking tanker. Wait a minute. Where am I running away then?
Before I devour you!
Uh-oh. They don't look friendly.
I shall feast on your bones!
I keep pressing the wrong button. What the heck?
Thank you.
Alright. We got this GG! No. Bunch of stuff. No gold.
Once again, the Vampire King is defeated, and the darkness has been banished.
Okay. See you in the next game.
Is this really
Why are really
of the
MVPs? What?
story?
It's only a default skin too. GG. See you next time.